Hi everyone, for this question given the equation e to the power of 1 over 2 ln 3 minus x equals to 0, use Newton-Raphson method to estimate the root correct to 3 decimal place, initial value as 1. So first of all, we have to simplify our function. So notice that this one e power law we can be simplified by using the properties of the log. 1 over 2 move up become power, then x I move it to the right hand side. So this one we cannot directly let it to be fx, yeah, although it already equals to 0. As we can see, e ln can be simplified. Once you simplify your e ln, e to the power of ln, you notice that this is square root 3 minus x. So in Newton-Raphson method, we can't use the function involving square root. So for square root, we need to remove it. So we cannot take the function as square root 3 minus x equals to 0. So this function might be not convergent and might be not validity, as testing the function to be valid or not is not your syllabus. But lastly, overall, most of the time the third function we need to remove. So to remove the third, you need to square. So actually, you can get a polynomial function. So polynomial function, no problem. It always is a convergent function. You will easily get your repeated x. So make it to be function. What we need is differential function. Differentiate this. Then by taking the initial value as 1, with the Newton-Raphson method formula, Sn plus 1 equals to Sn minus function over differential function. As initial value already given, x not equals to 1. To find the first x, we need to substitute 1 into the function. You need to write this step completely. Show us your substitution, 1 into the function and 1 into differential function. Then you use calculator to formulate this. So you need to press your formula, alpha x minus, key in your function, alpha x squared plus alpha x minus 3 over 2 alpha x plus 1. Then calculate for the initial value 1. Then we'll take down. So avoid giving us answer in fraction. You must let your answer in decimal because we want to see how you correct it to 3 decimal. So in calculation, when we haven't reached to the answer, we can extra 1 or 2 maximum, extra 2, 3 decimal, maximum we can take up to 5 decimal, not more than that. When you have more than that, you will be having stopping criteria problem, so your marks will be affected. So for x2, again, we need to show how we substitute to get x2, substitute into the function, differential function, and you will repeat the procedure until we get repeated x. (775) out of 8. So we have repeated value of x. Therefore, we can conclude out what is your roots, means what is your x here. 0. Then only this answer we give in the correct to 3 decimal place. 1.303. 7 we round off, we become 0.3. So this is the 3 decimal place. That's all for these questions.